For better or worse, the phablet category is no longer the exclusive domain of Android, as Nokia has made a noteworthy entry into the space. The 6-inch Lumia 1320 is the second and less impressive of the company's two new phablets, as it's strictly a mid-range device. The 1320 actually serves to pretty much close what is perhaps that last gap in the Finnish company's product line, as it now has devices across all parts of both the size and price spectrum. So how does this $330-odd phablet monstrosity fare outside the lab? Let's find out. In the box: wall charger, Microsoft USB cable, earphones. As any WPA-based device out there, the Nokia Lumia 1320 is pretty much stuck with the default Internet Explorer for all its surfing needs. Sure, diversity of choice has always been something we feel very strongly about, and yet the built-in browser provides an okay-ish experience. A piece of code ensures that pages aren't rendered in their entirety, which supposedly eases the strain on the processor. Unfortunately, even then load times feel a tad too much. On the bright side, swiping and zooming are both extremely responsive and pleasant to use, though little things like the lack of accelerable scroll felt surprisingly nasty to go without. At the connectivity front, the Lumia 1320 is packing quite some stuff. We're talking Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi, NFC, a GPS with GLONASS support and FM radio, for an overall thorough package.